What to do if one of your HDMI ports go out, or your only HDMI port goes out of your desktop computer. So I had mine go out on my second monitor because I have two HDMI right here. So the only thing you have to do is get a USB to HDMI DisplayLink, and I'll show you here in a second. So I had a thunderstorm and it knocked out one of my HDMI ports. Unfortunately, they're very difficult to repair. You actually have to take it out and then solder it. And especially with these older computers, it's hard to do, but even newer ones, you can't. So what you can do as a solution is get a USB to HDMI converter adapter DisplayLink. As you can see here, here's a picture of it, of what it looks like. And so what I'm doing is I'm using one of my USB ports as the donor to substitute for the HDMI. So I'll put a link in the comment section exactly where you can get one off of Amazon. This is called the Reborn, but you can get it off of Amazon for 12 bucks. Again, I'll put a link where you can get it. It's fairly inexpensive for what it does. The only disadvantage maybe would be that it's not going to play video games, the high-tech video games like, GTA 6 or something like that, but most likely you're not going to be doing that with it anyway. All right, and then of course, then again, it might be your only HDMI port, and you have to have a substitute like this. But what you do is once you install it, there'll be a driver on it, but as soon as you plug it into the USB port, the driver will automatically install, and then you have to restart your computer. You might have to change the resolution on your computer. If you have it hooked up to a computer screen, you just change the resolution. I'll show you how to do that at the end of this video, but fairly simple to do. All right, let me know if you have the same issue, and make sure you subscribe.